This is our alleyway from where we stayed, which is Stan's guest house. It is located in Station 2 and just a few steps away from the beach, so we are still right in the middle of everything. And of course, the Boracay sand is as fine and as powdery as it can be. There were not a lot of people when we visited, so we really enjoyed. And here am I trying to climb a coconut tree. And here's my dad at 61 years old, 62, still trying to climb a swing from a tree. And then we hiked up to the end of the white beach, and here's the place that you always see in social media. Here's the little outcropping of rock where you can just pass and go to the next beach. And we decided, since we are very thirsty from our hike, to buy one, I guess two. We did buy two, and it's very expensive for local since it's 30 pesos per piece. And as we continued on our hike, we reached the place where local said is a house of Manny Pacquiao, and I think they violated some laws, so it was kind of destroyed, but the view was spectacular, and you can just view a panorama of crystal blue waters. And after that, we saw this cliff that overlooks a beautiful beach. I do recommend doing hiking in Boracay if you want to break from the beach, but please do bring your water because we did not, and we are so hot and thirsty when we arrived back at White Beach. So here am I running back to the water. And of course, I've successfully persuaded the 3 senior citizens that I'm with to do an extreme sports, and we did a flying fish, if I'm not mistaken, or a UFO, I forgot. And here we are enjoying but holding on for dear life. Watch out for part 2 as we went back to Boracay 2 weeks later.